Sky 12 up over the Buc-ee's that is currently under construction in Goodyear. Check it out. It's looking pretty good, right? Because listen, we're only 3 months away from the opening. And it looks like construction crews are making some really good progress. Can you believe how gigantic that thing is? This will be the first ever Buc-ee's Arizona location. For those of you who are not familiar with Buc-ee's, first of all, I'm sorry. Second, it is a 24/7 Southern gas station chain that people are obsessed with. Not only do they have over 100 fuel pumps, they also have fresh brisket, homemade fudge. Oh, the fudge is so good. All kinds of snacks that are just true to Buc-ee's and Buc-ee's branded merchandise. Think bathing suit with a beaver. Yeah.
No, thank you.
I'm telling you, my daughter has one. It gets stopped everywhere. The Goodyear Buc-ee's is set to open in June. Well, I got to change your birthday present.